Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome. You guys say hi.
Hi.
So we went to Grocery Outlet. We haven't been in a really long time actually, and it is Saturday night and we decided to go, and we hit the jackpot on so many things. Noah, what'd you get? Show them your little apple juice thing. And we wanted to share it with you guys. We're gonna go home and do a haul. So I think I spent like $297, and we got like 2 carts full of stuff. He got 2 shovels that were I think around $20 each, but either way, I'm so excited to show you guys what we found. We found some really good things. Not everything is a good deal there. You have to know your prices, but we did find some really good things and we want to share it with you. Okay, so my total was $297.54, and $5.90 was tax, because what you're not going to see in here is 2 shovels that my husband got, and one was $17.99 and one was $20.99. So let's see what you can get for, let's just say $300, under $300 in 2024 at Grocery Outlet. We're going to keep going and going and going and going, and we're done. So this is what we got. First, I don't remember the prices on everything, and then there's some things that I didn't put in the cart. The kids did. I had the little ones with me and my husband. So, but this is cherry sparkling juice. This was $1.99 a bottle, so we grabbed a few bottles because we like that. This was, I believe, 99 cents or $1.99. Honeycomb, oh my gosh, you guys, this is I think $8.50. We got 2 because we're a family of 6 and we all like it. Avocado oil, 100% pure avocado oil. This was $7.99, which is great because we all know how expensive oils can be at Costco these days. Oh my Lord. These huge jars of pickle spears are 2 quarts, and they were $2.79 each. So I grabbed a few because when you live with teenagers who love pickles, they can easily go, like if you get a smaller jar, they'll eat it all at once, like in one day. And then I don't know how much this rainbow parfait was. My little ones grabbed it and I said, sure, you can put it in. They've never had it. Sauerkraut was $1.99. I got 3 jars. My husband really likes that. These hot cherry peppers are so delicious, and I think this was like either $1.99 or $2.99 a jar. If you go to a European store, you're gonna pay so much more for these. This is kind of like a dupe Nutella with sticks. These were 50 cents. So I just grabbed 4 for the little ones just to have as a fun snack. I'll throw in my purse and they can snack on it like on the way to church or after. Pierogies, $2.99 for this huge bag. We grabbed 3 different flavors. This is, I get an email from them, and they always have like certain deals that are so good that you're like, okay, I should have gone in. Well, I didn't want to miss this out because I have 4 kids, 2 teenagers, 2 younger ones, but they're home all the time with summer, and I need convenient food. So these are 1.5 pounds of just different, like, ready to throw in the air fryer chicken something or fish sticks or whatever. These are buy one get one free, and they were $4.99 each. So that means they were $2.50 a bag. So we got some spicy, we got some chicken bites, we got some fish nuggets, some zesty ranch, like these little mini nuggets, just different flavored ones. So great deal on that. Again, convenience mozzarella sticks. I believe these were $12.99 or $13.99. I don't know how much these were. They just wanted it. We like calamari. These were $2.99 or $2.49 a box. I grabbed 2. Takis, cheese flavor Takis. I grabbed 4 of them. They already grabbed the bag. These were 99 cents. Each kid got a bag. If you know, you know. Takis are expensive. 99 cents a bag is a great price. These little fruit roll-up things were $1.49. I feel like that's a really good price. I grabbed 3 sunflower seeds. If you go to the European store, they're always going to be like from $5-6 on up a bag. These were $1.99. They're salty. We have like a jar and we mix different flavors and different kind together. Dried prunes, because my husband adores these. These were $2.49. jerky. I don't even know because the kids grabbed it. This is Philadelphia honey butter, and this was 50 cents each. These little apple juices, I got 5 of them. They were 99 cents each. Mini avocados, $2.99. I feel like everything was $2.99. These were $1.49. I don't know how much the strawberry milk was. Noah grabbed it. I have no idea. The yogurt, I think, was $3.99 or $2.99. Hearts of Palm. My daughter really wanted to try this, and I think it was like $3.49. Did I say the yogurt? Yes. Kombucha. Me and my husband opened it in the car. This was $2.79. These little candies were 50 cents. I did grab some beauty products. I wanted like a hair mask. This was 99 cents. And these facial masks were 99 cents. Don't ask me if they're good because I don't know. But I guess they can help. These are like Turkish Delights. And these were $1.99. Just a fun treat. Muscle meat, I think was tweezers. I think were like $1.99. This salami was $3.99. Prosciutto was $3.99. It just looked really good. I don't know how much these socks were. My husband put them in the cart. These were $2.99. And then the tomatoes, I have no idea because he put them in the cart. So just under $300. I feel like we got a lot of stuff, a lot of convenient food, just easy things that the kids can, you know, just throw in the air fryer. And they've been... Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. This was so much fun. We had a good time. We were in there for about an hour to an hour and a half. It was just fun to see what they had. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe.